Aking bilog, Mox. Akin na Rhea yung ball. Okay, our first game is pass the ball. Who knows the game? Sino nakalam ng game? Pass the ball. Alam mo, Mox? Alam mo? Paano yun? Paano laruin yun?
Pass the ball, okay?
Okay, your first game is pass the ball. So when the music is playing, habang tinututog yung music, this ball will be passed from one kid. Okay, to another, of course. So nakatabi nyo lang, ibabasa nyo to. So, bawal nyo ihagis ha. And when the music stop, pag himinto yung music, kung sino yung may hawak ng ball, siya yung mahawak sa game natin. Hanggang isa na lang yung matira. Okay, naintindihan nyo na, Mox? Naintindihan mo, Mox? Okay, sa'yo magsimula yung ball. Okay, pass the ball.